Hi guys, well we did come across this place. We are actually at Dragon Lady's brother's house. Sorry about her, she is a bit smaller than me, but she got out that. But we thought we'll explore this place. It is absolutely huge. It's like its own little town, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like abandoned subdivision.
Yeah, so basically we're going to go around, try and get into a few buildings. They all are open, guys, but the only problem is it's really overgrown. They are really, I won't say dangerous, but the overgrown patches can be quite dangerous because there is poisonous spiders and poisonous snakes, and obviously, yeah, exactly. But we've only got flip-flops on as well, so it's not really the type of exploring footwear you would expect. But we'll try it, guys. We are joined with MJ's brother, Nilo, and a family friend. So we're going to have a look round. So come along, come with us. So there you go, guys. These are all houses, believe it or not, all down here. We have no idea why it's abandoned, no idea whatsoever. That in front is the old school.
They abandoned it. It looks like there's a
Oh, so there you go. So that's the reason, guys. They closed it down because they couldn't afford the electric. Which I'm not surprised, because obviously the electric is sky high over it. It looks like someone's in there.
Yeah, they're trying to do something.
Let's take my glasses off. So yeah, all these, as you can see, guys, it's really overgrown. We're not going to be walking through the, like I said, the snakes, spiders, you name it, and whatever else is in these. So we will try and get into some buildings, but it's not 100% on which buildings we're going to be getting into. But luckily for you guys, they're all going to be the same. They're not going to be all different. So yeah, there's the old school, guys, as you can see. All down it. This looks like so yeah, obviously MJ's brother is just literally in the subdivision next to this one, so he knows more history on this place. But the only thing is, he doesn't speak much English, so maybe Dragon Lady can ask her brother about a little bit of history on this place, why it's abandoned, stuff like that. You know what to say. Because obviously I was saying Nilo doesn't speak much English, so maybe you can ask him and then translate in English.
Bakit daw ito naging abandoned daw? Ang bahay na to.
Wala lang ano eh.
Budget?
Wala lang bilitan na nakatira. Parang gano'n.
So parang wala na kasi sobrang daming bahay. So my brother says the reason why this place they abandoned it because it's too much houses. There's not much people to live.
Oh, okay.
Huh? In 6 years. 6 years abandoned? It's been 6 years abandoned since they built this. And
It's a long time, isn't it?
And also it's like it's a lot of houses.
It is a big area, guys. Very big area.
It's all it's been old.
Yeah, as you can see, guys.
Yeah.
Bulldozer there.
They
Well,
can't
not a
afford
bulldozer, it's a road thing.
a lot of
But as you can see, it's all overgrown, paint's coming off.
Another her place is over here.
Yeah, 6 years, guys, wow.
Look at over here.
I didn't realise 6 years.
The trees is old. It's big. They get big because it's too much
Yeah.
too abandoned.
As you can see, guys, it's all overrun, but the tree down there, obviously there wasn't a tree there when these houses were going up. But look how big they've gone since, you know. So, if you do see a black thing at the side, it's because it's the stabilizer.
Wanna see inside? Just
Yeah,
check
we
it
can
out or just
check
okay?
inside, yeah. A couple of buildings, we can go inside.
Yeah, that one's good. Look at all the people
Let's have a look in here. Yeah, there's a lot of poop in here. Probably from cows, because cows are around here, guys. We're surrounded by fields because we're in the province area. People starting to write stuff on, more than likely from the subdivision over. Starting to be wrecked as well. Things getting chucked. There's not much to be wrecked, but you know what I'm saying. But these are really small houses, guys. These are going to be the same all the way down. But like your wife said, there's so many houses, but not enough people to fill these. So this is why it was all abandoned. It's absolutely there. I mean, I've been trying to find abandoned places here, and it's literally, guys, it's literally nothing anywhere. Look at all that down there. I mean, well, there is places over here, but they're not easy to be found because most abandoned places over here, the Philippines government don't really keep them up, whether they're historic or not. They knock them down. So it's hard to find an abandoned place.
maybe like 24,000.
24,000 houses.
10,000. It's long. It's very long.
Yeah, it is a big area.
Yeah, it's a big area. More. It's
100.
already in here. Just starting.
Yeah, you're looking at least 24, if not more, 124,000. Yeah, guys, 24,000, if not more, because at least within.
It's a lot.
Because then at least in each row you've got about 30 houses. So in a couple of rows you've got 100. So at least 24,000 houses are just abandoned. This is probably the biggest export. I mean, if the older subscribers come to this channel, you all know I've done RAF bases in the UK. I've done mansions, done military bases, but nothing compares to the size of what this place is. It's just building after building. Just complete abandonment. And like I said, every single house is the exact same layout. It's not like the houses in the UK or anything like that. They're completely all the same. Look at this, it's just unbelievable. down because they're all the same guys. So we're going to start heading back up. Unfortunately, we can't get into the old school because people are still in there. I don't know what they're doing, but people are in there.
It's a high school.
It's a high school.
High school.
And obviously the gates are locked as well.
Like
So.
my brother says, at night it's too dangerous.
Oh
But
really?
they look for a spider every night.
Oh really? Yeah. In case you guys don't know, MJ's brother Nilo just here.
Sometimes they hear like a banging or stuff.
Oh really?
And they run because they're looking for spider.
So yeah, obviously Nilo, MJ's brother Nilo, he actually collects spiders, and they do spider fighting over here. And if I can get that done and filmed for you guys, I will show you that on another video at some point. But just the size of it, guys, it's absolutely.
You know why? My brother says the reason why no one's gonna be there because this is cemetery.
Oh, this here is cemetery.
Yeah, cemetery.
Is it
The
really?
big cemetery. Like
Dami nga nakuha din yung mga sako dito.
a lot of sacks of skulls. Right.
Oh wow, really?
That's why every night is very dangerous and scary. Every night.
Well, I'll have to come back here at night time sometime. Definitely have to do it on a night time.
That's why everybody says, do not be. That's why my brother says, do not be don't let, just don't let every night.
Yeah.
Like past 8 or 9 is too dangerous.
Right.
Because it's a lot of people that you don't even know if it's ghosts.
Yeah, very much so. Something like that, yeah. So yeah, when Nilo comes spider hunting at night time, he's heard, as you can see, there's no houses what's got doors on. None. The only building what's got doors on is the school, as you can see.
Some people that working in here, they start living over there.
Oh really?
Yeah. Look at how bad that we made it. This how it's dangerous the way they made it.
Yeah, it's like just pieced together, isn't
Yeah,
it?
they piece together. It's really dangerous.
Yeah guys, if you guys want to see us come back at night and do a paranormal here, because like I said, when Nilo just gets spiders around here, he's been hearing doors banging and everything, and as you can see, every house do not have a door. The only doors what you could see is on the school. There's no doors on any of these houses. None. Because like I said, they weren't finished. So they were just built as a show and that was it. I mean, they're all the way into the distance, guys. All the way over there. There's more abandoned houses. Just as much as what this one is. And they all go at the back as well. But yeah, at least 24. I would say even more than 24 to be fair. But yeah guys, like I said, if you want to see us do a paranormal here, see if there is anything spiritual, because like Nilo said, this place was built on top of a cemetery, then let us know. We'll see what we can do. Okay guys? So yeah guys, obviously like I said, plenty of history here, unbelievable history to be fair, isn't it? Over 24,000, at least 30,000 houses, at least. And I think I'm even shy by quite a few thousand with that. This area is huge. So yeah, I mean, if you want to see us come back and do a paranormal investigation here at night time, then obviously give us that thumbs up. Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, please subscribe.
Subscribe, definitely subscribe. And yeah, so please don't miss out on our rest of our adventures. We'll be going everywhere. This is a new
Yeah.
channel, guys. We'll be going beaches, swimming pools, you name
All
it.
kinds.
All kinds. Going to the mall, going to the shops, going to supermarkets. Obviously, you've got a mall wherever you are, but you never know, it might be slightly different. So, yeah, guys, don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you soon.
Below.
Bye,
Bye.
guys.